Welcome to your chef YouTube channel. Today we are going to make sourdough. Let's see. These are the basic ingredients. T55 flour. You can use even all-purpose flour. Salt, bread improver, dry yeast, and dry flour starter. I suggest always use cold water. We mix 10 minutes slow speed. You can see now our sourdough is ready. It's not sticking in the bowl, see? It's nicely mixing. We keep for rest 1 hour. Almost finished 1 hour, so I'm going to fold again one more time. We keep another 1 hour for tasting, so you will get nice sour flavor. So my dough is ready now, so I'm going to divide now. One bread loaf 650 gram. So I keep for another 30 minutes around for resting before shape the bread. This line should be straight and sealed. Always this line should be go down. Now we are going to put in the prover, maybe another 1 hour, 1.5 hours around. Now my sourdough is ready, so we are going to cook it. So ready to go for baking now. Two times steam, 210 Celsius, 15 minutes, check, if not enough you can cook another 5 minutes. My sour bread is almost ready. Looks how delicious, wow. My sour bread is ready now, let's see. Wow, how delicious. See how it looks? Wow. Very nice. Thank you very much for watching for my video. If you have any doubt about this sour bread, comment. I will reply you. All the recipe and method I will write in my description. Thank you very much.